The people who insult you don't fear your anger. They fear the day you stop giving them access to your emotions. Silence hurts more than any comeback. Here's how to make someone regret insulting you without saying a single word. 1. Walk away the first time. Nothing shocks an insulter more than losing your attention instantly. You don't stay, you don't argue, you just walk. Your silence becomes the answer they never expected. 2. Don't defend yourself. Let them look wrong alone. People who insult you want a reaction. When you stay calm, their words echo against themselves. They expose their own character without your help. 3. Make eye contact, then say nothing. A calm stare is more powerful than any comeback. It tells them, I see you, but I'm not lowering myself to your level, and that scares insecure people. 4. Remove your energy from their space. You don't punish them, you disconnect. No affection, no attention, no emotional fuel. People regret insulting the person who stops caring. Your absence will teach them what your presence never could. 5. Become unreachable in your mind. When you stop taking things personally, you become untouchable. Emotionally mature people don't fight insults, they outgrow the people who throw them. And nothing hurts an insulter more than realizing they have no power over you anymore. 6. Level up silently. Your success is the loudest silence. Every achievement becomes a reminder of what they failed to break. You don't clap back, your growth does. When you evolve quietly, people feel the distance before they understand the reason. 7. Let them wonder why you changed. You suddenly stop reacting. You stop explaining. You stop engaging. And that mystery eats them alive. Listen, disrespect doesn't end with revenge. It ends when they realize you don't need their approval or their apology. Silence isn't weakness, it's emotional intelligence. And the smartest way to make someone regret insulting you is to rise so high they can't reach you anymore. Comment, I choose silence, if this spoke to you, and subscribe to Mindful Ways, where quiet people become powerful.